Hair Week. Today we have with us a hair expert who's going to give us all the necessary information that we need about hair color, consultation, neutralization, what have you. So let me begin with introducing our expert to you. Welcome on board, Shweta. It's lovely to have you. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Shweta Sani with us from L'Oreal Professional. She has been a hairdresser for the past 20 years, and she is the head of education with L'Oreal Professional right now. Um, as you might know, she is extremely passionate about hair and loves to talk about hair. She also believes in sharing her knowledge, which is why she is here. She has a brief background about her. She studied in New Delhi and then from Singapore, and finally she did her master's in hair color from UK. She loves to experiment with hair color, trying out different shades, techniques, combinations, and of course, talking about hair education. And what's the most impressive aspect of her resume is that she started hairdressing at the young age of 15. Shweta, I'm really bowled over with this information, and I can imagine the kind of knowledge you have gathered across these years, having started so young. So we are very eager and thank you for joining us today. Like I said, our topic today is on color consultation, and that's your forte. So let's start with the consultation bit, and then we move on to more details about color. Why do you think
Sure.
color consultation is so important?
Okay. So before I start answering your question, let me just say hi to everyone. Hello, everybody. I hope
Yeah.
all of you are safe, sound, and having a good time with your family, learning some new things, and for sure, definitely learning a lot of new ways of going back to the salons, helping out our clients who are going to walk in. So yeah, coming back to Kanishka, your question, yes, consultation is the most important thing when it comes to anything, whether it is about hair color, whether it is about doing a haircut, or even I would say even to do a shampoo. Because till
Okay.
the time you don't speak to your client, till the time you don't understand what is there on the scalp on her head, we will never be able to figure out what kind of product we need to use on the hair and what
Yeah.
kind of product we recommend. When it comes to definitely hair consultation, when it comes to coloration, uh, color definitely enhances the personality. You know, even if you
Right.
do one highlight to the hair, you would see the personality changing completely. But extremely important for us as professional hairdressers is to do a professional diagnosis. A, a diagnosis a diagnosis which will help to understand what is currently on my client's scalp, on
Yeah.
her head, what does she need, what is her expectation, whether that expectation we can fulfill or not through
Okay.
through a proper diagnosis, because what is there inside this fabric you don't know. So yes, there is a lot of consultation required. Rather, if I talk about L'Oreal Professional, we have just launched an app which is called
Okay.
Style My Hair Pro.
Mm-hmm.
This app is the most wonderful tool a hairdresser can have to do a proper professional diagnosis.
Right.
Because many times what happens is the client is sitting on the chair and looking at the shade card and saying, okay, can I do a red? Can I do a blonde? No, this ash also looks really, really pretty. So what happens is that the client is confused and many times even the hairdresser get confused.
Yeah.
So when you use this app, what happens is you have a virtual communication in front of the client. Because if you put that your phone on a selfie mode, open the app, the client will be able to see whether red looks nice on me or gold looks nice on me. If I do an ombre, what will it? How will it look on me? So yeah, that it is a perfect tool for a diagnosis. So I will repeat
Okay.
again. It's called a Style My Hair App Pro. It's available on Android and on iOS.
That's great. So that's like a really handy tool for colorists to use when they have clients, especially the ones who are confused about their hair, or even the ones who bring color references with them. So they need to see how it would look on their hair. Now, what are the questions that a colorist should be asking during consultation?
So, we always talk about 4 simple steps to do a
Yeah.
perfect color diagnosis.
Okay.
First of all, it is very important, and I will also bring in a little bit of Hindi in this. So, it is
Yes,
very
please.
important कि हमारे scalp पे अभी क्या है? What
Okay.
is my natural base? What is the percentage of white hair do we have? तो पहला natural base देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Percentage of white hair देखना बहुत जरूरी है. Uh, then if I go on my lengths and ends, on the lengths and ends, बालों में कलर क्या है? क्लाइंट ने क्या कलर किया है? और if बाल वर्जन है, understand the lengths and ends. Then
Mm-hmm.
you have to understand what is their skin tone, whether
Okay.
you're a warm skin tone or a cool skin tone. Because
Right.
again, many times होता है क्लाइंट बोलता है मेरे को गोल्ड कर दो. एज अ प्रोफेशनल हेयर ड्रेसर हमको पता होता है अगर मैंने गोल्ड किया इसके ऊपर शी विल नॉट लुक नाइस एंड बाद में आके हमको ही बोलेगी आपने क्यों कर दिया. सो
Yeah.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द स्किन टोन. स्किन टोन यूज के लिए बहुत ईजी होता है. आइदर यू लुक एट द आई कलर, यू कैन इवन लुक एट अ वेन. इफ यू हैव ब्लू वेन है दैट मीन्स आप कूल स्किन टोन में हो. ग्रीन वेन है तो दैट मीन्स आप वार्म स्किन टोन में हो. नहीं
Okay.
तो ट्रिक्स होती हैं. यू कैन यूज स्कार्फ टूल. एक गोल्ड स्कार्फ लगा दिया, एक सिल्वर स्कार्फ लगा लिया एंड देखा कौन सा हाईलाइट कर रहा है एंड एनहांस कर रहा है मेरी स्किन को.
Okay.
The third thing is about understanding the face shape.
Right.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जब आप फेस शेप देखते हैं तब आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आपको क्या टेक्निक करना है. आपको
Okay.
क्लाइंट का फेस को हाइड करना है, फीचर्स को, या इनहांस करना है. ये सब प्रोफेशनल डायग्नोसिस हो गई. आपने
Right.
देख लिया हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी क्या है बालों की, आपने देख लिया स्किन टोन क्या है, आपने देख लिया फेस शेप क्या है. नाउ इट कम्स क्लाइंट को दिखाना कैसे है. And then you can use this tool, which is Style My Hair App Pro, for a perfect diagnosis. So these are the simple 4 steps every single hairdresser can use for their perfect consultation.
Right.
Plus
Or
also on this app, plus also on this app you have some mood boards जहाँ पे
okay.
ऑलरेडी पिक्चर्स डली हुई हैं. सो यू डोंट हैव टू गो कि पिंटरेस्ट में देखूंगी, मैं गूगल पे देखूं, मैं कहाँ पे देखूं. सो ऑलरेडी ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है वो है. आप अपना खुद का भी मूड बोर्ड बना सकते हो. दैट देखिए मैंने ये कल कलर किया था
Okay.
एंड सी यू कैन डू दिस आल्सो एंड यू कैन डू दिस आल्सो.
Okay, that's very interesting. So it gives a lot of creative freedom to the hairdresser.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली.
ओके. तो जैसे आप जब भी अपना शेड कार्ड दिखाते हैं जिसमें टफ्ट्स होते हैं और आप एक्सप्लेन करते हैं क्लाइंट को कि एग्जैक्टली ये रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो प्रॉब्ली सिंथेटिक हेयर है या डिफरेंस है नेचुरल हेयर में और उसमें या आपके बेस शेड में डिफरेंस है. तो क्या इस ऐप को लेकर भी आपको ये डिस्क्लेमर देना पड़ता है कि जैसे दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे वैसे नहीं आएगा?
थोड़ा सा होता है बिकॉज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द लाइट. हम कौन सी
या
लाइट में बैठे हुए हैं. बट दिस ऐप इज वेरी ट्रिकी एंड वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट आई वुड से. फॉर
ओके.
एग्जाम्पल आपके बाल डार्क हैं और मेरे बाल लाइट हैं. सो सेम शेड अगर मैं ऐप पे देखूंगी आपके ऊपर शेड डिफरेंट दिखेगा बिकॉज आपका जो अंडर कोट है या आपका जो लेवल है वो डार्क है. और सेम चीज अगर मैं अपने ऊपर करूंगी तो वो अलग दिखेगा बिकॉज मेरे बाल लाइट है. रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ कलर and the depth of color will be different. So yes.
Okay. So it takes into account your base shade.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Great. अच्छा, अभी कलरेशन के पहले कंसल्टेशन हो गया बट बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स कुछ प्री कंसीव नोशंस के साथ आते हैं. तो व्हाट आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी कैन जनरली एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अ क्लाइंट तो हमारी टिक लिस्ट होगी कि ओके द क्लाइंट इज गोइंग टू आस्क मी दीज क्वेश्चंस.
बहुत सारे होते हैं, बहुत सारे होते हैं, एंड ऑल माय फेलो फ्रेंड्स ओवर हियर, ऑल माय हेयर ड्रेसर्स फ्रेंड वुड एग्री टू मी. क्लाइंट आके बोलता है कि अगर मैं कलर करूंगी क्या मेरे बाल और वाइट हो जाएंगे? सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये होता है, एंड द आंसर इज नो. ये सबसे बड़ा मिथ है कि अगर क्लाइंट कोई भी कलर करना शुरू करता है तो नए बाल जो आएंगे वो सफेद हो जाएंगे. नॉट एट ऑल, इट्स द बिगेस्ट मिथ. जो आपके वाइट होंगे एज यू एज, वो आपके बाल वाइट होंगे. आज से 25 साल पहले मैंने कलर करना शुरू किया था. टुडे इफ यू सी माय ग्रे हेयर, आई एम ग्रेइंग बिकॉज आई एम एजिंग ऑल्सो. देन अलॉन्ग विद दैट द सेकेंड चीज आती है कि अगर मैं कलर करूं मेरे बाल डैमेज हो जाएंगे. सी, इसमें बहुत डिपेंड करता है. इसमें डिपेंड करता है एज अ हेयर ड्रेसर आप कैसे ध्यान रख रहे हो while you color the hair. That is why consultation is very very important. बहुत बारी क्या होता है कि हम एज हेयर ड्रेसर्स बहुत सारे शॉर्टकट्स लेने की कोशिश करते हैं. प्लीज शॉर्टकट्स मत लीजिए. अगर बालों को प्री लाइटनिंग करने की जरूरत है, यस आई अंडरस्टैंड, क्लाइंट डरता है कि ब्लीच कर रहे हो आप बाल. ब्लीच मत बोलो ना, आप बोलो मैं कलर क्लेंजिंग कर रहा हूँ. आप बोलो मैं कलर प्री लाइटनिंग कर रहा हूँ. तो जो आपका एग्जिस्टिंग कलर है उसको पहले निकालूंगा जेंटली, एंड देन उसके अंदर मैं आपके बालों में न्यू कलर डालूंगा. अलॉन्ग विद दैट आप कैसे प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, कितना टाइम छोड़ रहे हैं, आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लॉरियल प्रोफेशनल का एक प्रोडक्ट है जिसका नाम है स्मार्ट बॉन्ड. आपने स्मार्ट बॉन्ड डाला कि नहीं डाला, सो दैट यू कैन ऐड द स्ट्रेंथ इनटू द हेयर. प्लस very very important is how is the client taking care of the hair back home. हम एक बहुत सुंदर सर्विस कर देते हैं सैलून के अंदर, घंटे लगा देते हैं सर्विस करने के लिए, बट भूल जाते हैं क्लाइंट को होम केयर रिकमेंड करना. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, आप एक सर्जरी कराते हैं, तो डॉक्टर अपनी सर्विस करता है, सर्जरी करता है और आपको ठीक कर देता है. बट डॉक्टर आपको मेडिसिन भी प्रिस्क्राइब करता है कि ये खाओ, तो जो मैंने सर्जरी करी है आप जल्दी से ठीक हो जाओगे. इट्स द सेम विद द हेयर. आपने बालों में इतनी मेहनत करके इतना अच्छा काम किया है, आपको एक शैम्पू, कंडीशनर, मास्क, ट्रीटमेंट, सिरम रिकमेंड करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड बिलीव मी, क्लाइंट भी अप्रिशिएट करेंगे इसको, बिकॉज अगर क्लाइंट ने, इट्स वैल्यू फॉर मनी, क्लाइंट ने 500 रुपए दिए हैं या क्लाइंट ने 5,000 रुपए दिए हैं या 15,000 रुपए दिए हैं, फ्रॉम 500 to 15,000 क्लाइंट ने पैसा तो खर्चा ना. अगर आप एक रिकमेंडेशन दे रहे हैं फॉर क्लाइंट टू यूज एट होम द राइट प्रोडक्ट, जो 500 से 15,000 है वो मेंटेन रहेगा.
बिल्कुल. And it will also ensure that the color lasts longer and the client comes back to you.
Absolutely. And you know, it's not just about coloration, it's even on a straightening, even on a perm, or even as a treatment. मेरे बाल बहुत ड्राई है, I need something naturally मेरे बाल ड्राई हैं, and plus I do a lot to my hair. I need some powerful product जो मेरे बालों को नरिशमेंट करके रखे.
True. एक तो पार्ट है जब आप अपना पर्सपेक्टिव दे रहे हो क्लाइंट को, एंड सेकंड इज व्हेन यू आर लिसनिंग टू व्हाट शी हैज टू से, आंसरिंग हर क्वेश्चंस. इसके बीच में बैलेंस ढूंढकर सही एडवाइस देना कैसे कर सकते हैं ये हेयर ड्रेसर्स, बिकॉज सम क्लाइंट्स हैव अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशंस, और या वो कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं, दे जस्ट वांट एंड यू वांट टू शो सम क्रिएटिविटी. तो ये बैलेंस कैसे किया जाए?
See, बहुत आई एग्री टू योर पॉइंट कम्प्लीटली, क्योंकि क्लाइंट्स कभी कभी होता है बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशन लेकर आते हैं, ये भी कर दो, ये भी कर दो, ये भी कर दो, ये भी कर दो. कोई क्लाइंट्स होते हैं कि नहीं, कुछ मत करो, ऐसी रहने दो. इट विल कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन कि एक हेयर ड्रेसर क्लाइंट के साथ कैसे कर रहा है.
राइट.
अगर क्लाइंट को जिस दिन लगा ना कि माल बेचने पे लगा हुआ है मेरे को, client will run away. If you are giving as an advice to the client that I am here to give you the best of the service which is personalized for you only, the word is
Yeah.
personalization. अगर मैं आपके साथ 10 मिनट बैठ के एक पर्सनलाइज सर्विस करूंगी, आई प्रॉमिस यू द क्लाइंट विल लिसन. अननेसेसरी डिमांड्स है, क्लाइंट को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, मैम आई एम सॉरी, आज आपके बालों में ये नहीं हो पाएगा. For example, if I give you color and a straightening, can I do it on the same day? No, I'm sorry, I cannot do it on the same day. आप ऑक्सीडाइजिंग कलर एंड स्ट्रेटनिंग सेम डे पे नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो एक प्रोडक्ट है डिया लाइट जो टोन कर सकता है, या डिया रिशेस जो टोन कर सकता है. बट प्रोडक्ट लाइक मैजरल, इनोवा हम नहीं रिकमेंड करते. बट क्लाइंट बोलता नहीं, कर दो. आपको एक्सप्लेन करना बहुत जरूरी है कि फॉर द हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी आपके बालों के लिए मैं नहीं करूंगा आज.
ओके.
प्लस अलॉन्ग विद दैट क्लाइंट बोलता है अरे मेरे बाल ये कलर कर दो, वो कलर कर दो. आपको पता नहीं हो सकता. डू इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. ओके, डोंट रश. एकदम से हमारे पास मैजिक वॉन्ड नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली कि जादू की छड़ी घुमाई एंड इट हैज चेंज्ड इट कंप्लीटली. डू इट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Plus, along with that, the client who is not ready to do things, go step by step again, but go step by step, maybe more softly. Bring in soft changes to the client. I will give you, for example, a client jo salon mein aaya, she's been doing a color. And she's been doing a color, but a very basic color. Say, for example, a 5.6 from Majorat. Okay? She's happy with 5.6, but as a professional hairdresser, मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सा कुछ चेंज डाल दूँ उसके अंदर. Client is saying, no, I don't want to. What can I do? Add in maybe few pieces of 6.52.
Okay.
और 5.62. 5.6 वो कर रही है, मैं थोड़ा सा अगर 5.62 डाल दूं उसके अंदर, क्या होगा? When she will move her head, you will see a different reflex flowing through.
Yeah.
So if you go slowly, step by step, definitely, I promise you, a consumer or a client listens to the hairdresser much more than she will listen to her husband. Yeah,
that's a very fair point. Okay, now let's move on to the next subject that we have on hand, which is color techniques.
Yes.
So we keep hearing about color techniques all the time because it's in the news. Fashion magazines are talking about it. We even see it on celebrities. But ये सब कुछ जो क्लाइंट चेयर में बैठी है उसे कैसे एक्सप्लेन करने या एक्सप्लेन करना जरूरी है? विल दैट स्केयर हर? लाइक इफ यू टेल द क्लाइंट, oh, I'm going to do balayage on you, so is technical jargon going to scare her?
So in India, frankly, balayage is the most searched technique by the end consumer now. That is what Google tells us. Yes, I agree. अगर मैं client को बोलूँ, I'm going to do a beautiful ombre for you, and or technical jargons, you've got a seborrhea on your scalp, client डर जाएगी.
Yeah.
अरे मेरे को क्या बीमारी होगी, ये seborrhea क्या होता है? Nothing, yeah. You are saying you've got an oily scalp. So keep it simple. Keep it simple while you are talking to a client.
Right.
अगर आपको टेक्निक करनी है, यस, आजकल क्लाइंट्स के ऊपर हमको क्रिएटिव कलर करना बहुत जरूरी हो गया है, बिकॉज वी आर प्रोफेशनल हेयर ड्रेसर्स. जब भी आप एक प्रोफेशनल हेयर ड्रेसर होते हैं, तब अगर आप एक प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस अपने क्लाइंट को दे रहे हैं, इट विल ऑलवेज मेक इट डिफरेंट. अगेन डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम क्लाइंट टू क्लाइंट, आपको कितना क्रिएटिविटी क्लाइंट के ऊपर देना है.
Right.
Creative color is all about looking at the consumer, looking at the client who's sitting on the chair, understanding her lifestyle. कि मेरी client के ऊपर, for example, मैंने मनी पीसेस डाल दिए फेस के ऊपर, and she end of the day she's going to tie her hair back, what will happen? She would see only very very strong money pieces around her face. She
Yeah.
will not like it. So understand her lifestyle. Plus along with that, every creative color what you will do is either to enhance the facial features or to camouflage the facial features.
Right.
Plus along with that, the haircut what you have done, जो भी आपने haircut किया है, मैं उसको कैसे enhance कर सकती हूँ, मैं उसको कैसे सुंदर दिखा सकती हूँ, creative color उसके ऊपर है. So creative color is very 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 visual.
Mhm.
आपको देखना पड़ेगा क्लाइंट का हेड, क्लाइंट के बाल, एंड देखने के बाद एनालाइज करना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या कलर डालना है. Yes, balayage is streaming nowadays. It's a very beautiful technique.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे आप actually you become a painter, and all we as colorists or hairdressers we love to paint. So you become a painter. You beautifully paint through the hair, where you can either give very very soft like sun kiss effect, or you can even go bolder by creating more placements. So
Okay.
completely depends आपको बालयाज के साथ कैसे खेलना है. Balayage can be open air, balayage can be under the foils also. But it will all depend on how you want to play with the placement of color, depending on her face shape, depending on the density of the hair, depending on the haircut, what she's done. If I talk about a face shape, oval face shape is the ideal face shape, what we always say. Now, what happens is, for example, my face is very round. Imagine, okay, I will tell all my fellow hairdressers also to imagine right now, अगर मेरा face
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा round है और मैंने बालों जब मैं हाईलाइट्स कर रही हूँ या मैं जब प्लेसमेंट कर रही हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, मैंने लाइटर शेड्स अगर फेस के अराउंड कर दिया तो क्या होगा? जो अभी मैं बॉल लग रही हूँ उसके बाद मैं फुटबॉल लगूंगी. रीजन व्हाई इज बिकॉज लाइट शेड ऑलवेज एनहांसेस, वो खोलता है,
Right.
एंड डार्क हमेशा दबाता है. इट ऑलवेज हाइड्स और कैमोफ्लेज. So say for example, if I have very round face, what I need to do, I need to cut down all the roundness around my face. So क्या करूंगी मैं? डार्क शेड डालूंगी. लाइट शेड कहाँ डालूंगी? पीछे डालूंगी.
Mhm.
लेंथ चाहिए तो मैं लाइट शेड थोड़ा सा ऊपर डालूंगी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रिएटिव कलर हियर.
Right.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरा क्लाइंट का बाल बहुत ज्यादा लॉन्ग है और लॉन्ग फेस में है, तो अगर मैंने डार्क यहाँ पे डाल दिया तो क्या होगा? और चिपक जाएगा. सो आई नीड टू ओपन दिस. So that means there I will put in lighter shades on my around my cheeks, but I will add darkness around my forehead. So उससे क्या होगा?
Okay.
Face खुल जाएगा और दब जाएगा. So this is what you can play around. Post the lockdown, uh, I don't know what is the situation going to be. Frankly, हम सब guess work कर रहे हैं.
Right.
क्लाइंट कैसा आएगा सलोन के अंदर, क्लाइंट कितना टाइम लगाएगा सलोन के अंदर, whether she's going to spend a lot of time at home in the salon, or she would say no, I want very quick services which can be done.
Yeah.
So through L'Oreal, what we have done by L'Oreal Professional, we have launched with some, or we are training on some very very quick techniques
Okay.
which a hairdresser or a colorist can do post lockdown.
Okay.
In this situation, there can be two incidences. A client like me, you can see my gray hair, you can see all the color is fading out also. I have
Yeah.
not done anything. I am waiting for my favorite hairdresser to do my color.
Yeah.
There will be few clients who will say, Nahi, I've done color at home. So either your client walking into the salon will have what you did and she's come back to you, or she
Mm-hmm.
has done some color at home, something she used at home.
Yeah.
Again, diagnosis will make a lot of difference. If the client is saying that, okay, I've not done anything to my hair, what you have to do, you will touch up her roots, and along with that, you can refresh her color, or maybe do
Yeah.
some quick placements like face shaping, face contouring, all these things, face enhancement techniques you can do. If she has done something at home, definitely उसमें time जाएगा, because you would have to cleanse the hair, then depends on, or you would have to do some new placement techniques of balayage or a paint on technique, वो सब आपको करना पड़ेगा. So for example, I don't know how many of my fellow hairdressers over here has downloaded this app which is called as Learn and Connect. Learn
Okay.
and Connect is again an app which has been launched by L'Oreal. This app is only and only for professionals. It's like online learning plus showcasing your talent, what you have done on the salon floor. Plus also looking at what are the different seminars available by L'Oreal.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, along with that, you can chat with the educator, and we are doing a lot of virtual trainings nowadays on Learn and Connect. So again, whether it is you are an Apple user or you are an Android user, just go on your Play Store and download L'Oreal Learn and Connect. It will
Okay.
guide you to the entire page, and you can do a lot of learning on that page itself. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
for example, I will give you. Uh, okay, I have this picture here. I hope you will be able to see. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will just quickly explain. If my client has walked into the salon and she says, I want to do a creative color. So this is the back of the client. So
Right.
what I am doing here, just below the occipital bone and above the nape, मैंने थोड़ा सा placement कर दिया है. Okay,
Okay.
only with three foils. Yeah, only with three foils, one horizontal and two vertical foils. Then
Right.
around the face of the hair, around the hairline, around the ear to ear parting, we have taken the two vertical foils, back comb the weaves,
Yeah.
and then do your balayage placement. And then
Okay.
again around the face here also you can see it's on your hairline,
Mm-hmm.
closer to your hairline. So these kind of very very quick techniques you can do for clients post the lockdown. So if
So, what's
you
the service time for this treatment, this coloration?
see, it will take the similar time of completely the similar time of how a global color is done.
Okay.
Because what you can do your root touch-up. जितनी देर में आपका रूट टचअप का डेवलपमेंट टाइम हो रहा है 35 मिनट्स का, यू कैन पुट योर, बिकॉज यू हैव टू पुट जस्ट फ्यू फॉइल्स, चार फॉइल
Yeah.
इधर, तीन फॉइल इधर, you will be able to do it within your time. Plus
Okay.
you can also do, clients will definitely ask कि मेरे बाल बहुत डल लग रहे हैं, मैं क्या करूं?
Hmm.
Why not do a glossing for the hair? You can use a product called as Dialite, which is an ammonia-free color,
Right.
and you can use a clear from Dialite. Clear क्या करेगा? Gloss कर देगा, जैसे हम lip gloss लगाते हैं, वैसे
Mm-hmm.
ही gloss कर देगा बालों के ऊपर, and it will give you a beautiful shine in the hair. You can even do quick treatments, like for example, Power Mix to add nourishment to the hair. You can do
Yeah.
a quick hair spa treatment for the client. So again, I'm saying we don't know how is the client going to react. Uh,
Yes.
that's a big question mark post the lockdown.
Yeah.
And we are also running again through the education team. We have just started rolling out hygiene and safety, because
Right.
post lockdown the most important thing is going to be hygiene. So my
Yep.
entire education team is training you guys on hygiene and safety. So again, either you go through Learn and Connect or speak to your educator from L'Oreal Professional on the entire hygiene and safety module also.
Great. That would be of great help to all the
Yeah,
hairdressers and salon owners
absolutely.
once they open the shutters. Personally, I believe the kind of client reaction that we are gauging is going to be a mix of both. So there would be people who want to come back and get pampered and spend hours in the salon because they've missed it so much. And the other hand, there would be those panicky ones that just want a quick service and get out
Yeah,
of there. So
yeah.
I hope it works out in the salon owners' favor. Before we go on to our next subject, I would like to tell our audience that they can leave questions for Shweta in the comment section and we'll take them towards the end of the session, time permitting. So if you have any questions regarding color consultation, color techniques, or neutralization, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Shweta, now tell us what neutralization is.
Neutralization, one of my most favorite subject, I would say.
Okay.
Neutralization is all about removing the unwanted shades or unwanted pigments or reflex from the hair.
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे बाल बहुत ज्यादा ब्रासी दिख रहे हैं, मेरे बाल बहुत ज्यादा कॉपर दिख रहे हैं, एंड आई हेट कॉपर. Okay, my entire team of L'Oreal Professional knows about this, that Shweta Sahani hates copper. I've told people I will throw you out of this window if I see copper in my hair. So what do they have to do is definitely remove the unwanted pigment from the hair through a
Right.
neutralization process. So everybody would know about the primary colors and the secondary colors. So
Yeah.
the prime, if you do the star, what you must have learned in your color keys, what you have done with L'Oreal Professional. So in the star, definitely the opposite shades would neutralize each other. For example, I have a lot of copper in my hair. What
Mhm.
will it get neutralized with? The opposite shade is zero point 0.1, which is ash.
Right.
What will ash do? It will neutralize the unwanted brassiness in my hair. For example, I have a lot of yellow in my hair and I don't want yellow. What will I use? I will use a zero point 0.2 shade, which is iridescent, to neutralize the unwanted yellow. If I
Okay.
have a lot of red, I can neutralize with a zero point 0.7 matte, which is also green. So opposite shades would help to neutralize the unwanted reflect, which is or the brassiness from the hair, making the hair look more neutral or brown, I would say.
So why is this technique required? Like what kind of demand from the client will prompt you to try neutralizing the hair?
Frankly, the client will not prompt you.
Okay.
Client will only prompt you. For example, me, I will only prompt my hairdresser, uh, I don't like this shade, it's too orange, it's too warm. Okay, warm also, as a professional hairdresser I will say, but client will
Yeah.
not say. Client will say ये बहुत orange दिख रहा है, बहुत
Hmm.
रेडिश में दिख रहा है, मेहंदी जैसा लुक दिख रहा है. नहीं चाहिए वो मेरे को
Okay.
थोड़ा सा नेचुरल हेयर कलर चाहिए. ये जो ऑरेंज ऑरेंज दिख रहा है इसको निकाल दो. That is the time you understand that it requires a neutralization. But as a professional hairdresser, neutralization is very important for you to give the most beautiful results to your clients, because you don't want to see brassiness or shade or a hair color looking dull or unwanted pigments showing out, because every single hair has its own sleeping undercoat.
Right.
दैट अंडरकोट ओनली कम्स आउट जब आप बालों को ऑक्सीडाइज करते हो, either through oxidation process of
Mm-hmm.
coloration, or even through a natural lightning. For example, if you go on a holiday, I hope soon we should go on holiday, first of all. So if you go on a holiday, say for example to Goa, when you come back, because you spend so much amount of time on the beach, there
Hmm.
is a natural oxidation which has happened in your hair. So
Absolutely.
the hair color you went with and the hair color you come back with is very different. You see a lot of unwanted undercoat coming onto your hair. So to neutralize even the unwanted undercoat, the neutralization process is very, very important. So if you want to see a proper shade of hair color, always remember what is hidden under the hair, which is called as the undercoat or the underlying pigment also, many people say.
Okay, and neutralization can be done with any hair color of any brand, or do you have to stick with what?
Yeah,
Okay,
it can be. Always remember the color wheel.
okay,
As a professional hairdresser or a colorist, always remember the color wheel. Opposite would neutralize each other.
right. That's a great tip, Shweta. Thank you for that. Getting back to our techniques bit, how can a hairdresser stay updated about what's the latest trending technique and how to be creative with it?
You know, definitely Google Baba has become our biggest friend. So yeah, Google Baba is what we call. Or I was hearing it yesterday as a Google doctor also. So yeah,
Yes,
or a
Dr.
Google
Google.
hairdresser, we can call Doctor Google or a hairdresser Google.
Yeah.
But please understand one thing, guys, that very, very important to update yourself or to upgrade yourself is learning, learning, learning. Please keep educating yourself, because there is no limit to learn.
Yeah.
Even for me, I don't even remember मैंने कितनी color keys की होंगी, because I've been with L'Oreal since 20 years now. तो 20 सालों में मैंने पता नहीं कितनी color keys कर ली होंगी. But today also, if I will uh, do one color key, believe me, I will learn, because I will learn through the participants asking me questions. So
Yeah.
when you come for any training to L'Oreal, and we do training non-stop, we have the biggest force of educators, very, very passionate hairdressers, educators we have, who are training 24/7. Because frankly telling you about one thing about L'Oreal
Hmm.
is we do nothing except hairdressing. हमारे खून में हेयर ड्रेसिंग है,
Yeah.
हमको और कुछ नहीं आता. And we have only one mission as professional product division, I would say, not just for L'Oreal Professional, but L'Oreal Professional Product Division, is to upgrade the skills of a hairdresser. Today, if you are on, say, for example, you are a junior hairdresser, we want to train you, we want to nurture you, we want to make you the expert, so that from a junior hairdresser we can make you the most senior hairdresser. Okay,
Right.
how can you attend trainings? We have academies across all our metro cities. We've got our partner academies in a lot of mini metro cities. Plus, we do trainings 24/7. So you can get in touch with our educators. You can get in touch with our sales team. You can even follow us on L'Oreal Learn and Connect on Instagram. The
Okay.
L'Oreal Learn and Connect on Instagram is again a page. There is no end consumer on it till now, hopefully. But L'Oreal Instagram page is only and only about hairdressers. We keep on putting lot of tricks, lot of technical jargons also, which is
Hmm.
even only for hairdressers. So please follow us on L'Oreal Learn and Connect. So yeah, coming back to your question, how can you groom yourself, or how important it is? You can only do it through education. The more you will learn, the more confidence you will get. The more confidence you will get, you will be able to talk to your client, you will be able to convince your client. And end of the
Right.
day, once your client is convinced, what are you going to get? You're going to get more dollars in your pocket, यार. और पैसा आता हुआ किसी को अच्छा बुरा नहीं लगता.
सबको अच्छा लगता है, yeah.
अगर किसी को भी बुरा लगता है, मैं अपना अकाउंट नंबर दे दूंगी, मेरे को भेज देना. Believe me. But yeah, it is always and only upgrading yourself.
Right. So education is the key to have a successful career in hairdressing, because trends won't stop, and so your
Oh.
education shouldn't either. So, what is going to trend in 2020 apart from COVID?
Uh, so, L'Oreal Professional, our trend is all about La French.
Right.
We are very, very proud with all my callers up that we are a French school.
Yeah.
And we believe in the Frenchness. So it's all about La French. La in French means the. So the French, with working with the French balayage techniques. Plus, along with that, again, it is about what is trending. What is the
Right.
end consumer looking for? So the
Mm-hmm.
Google search now shows that our end consumer is looking for cool shades. They don't want to have warm shades. So again, what is trending will be cool shades. So a lot of balayage will happen. A lot of definitely a lot of balayage will happen. A lot of creative color will happen. Plus, along with that, a lot of placement techniques and cool shades are going to happen.
Okay.
That is
Do we see any technique phasing out? Like, do you think ombre will no longer be in demand, or
classic highlights.
okay?
As classic highlights are not trending anymore.
Okay.
Years back when I did my hairdressing course way back in 94, is when we used to do streaks. So
Yeah.
take a box and put coils. And that is what
Yeah.
used to come as full head mein highlights ho gaya. Now we call them as zebra crossings
Okay.
or zebra stripes. So that you see those thick pieces, that is out. People don't want to see thick placement. It is all about finesse. It is all about delicate. It
Yeah.
is all about sophistication. It is most importantly, it is all about personalization.
Right.
How you will personalize each and every client walking in. And believe me, that is what works. Because अगर मेरा client चाहे वो 10 मिनट लगाए चेयर पे, चाहे वो 2 घंटे लगाए, चाहे वो 5 घंटे लगाए, for that 10 minutes to 5 hours what my client is sitting, she should feel like I am the princess today. That
Yeah.
is how my hairdresser should treat every single client.
Wonderful. Okay, now I want you to give us a quick tip for to hairdressers and colorists when they get a demand for fashion colors. What is the best way to deal with a client who asks for fashion colors?
Sorry, I missed your question.
So, a quick tip from you for hairdressers who get clients asking for fashion colors.
Go for it. Believe me, close your eyes and apply
Okay.
the color. But yeah, like I said, understand.
Yeah.
Client wants to do things. Clients want to experiment. हम डरते हैं. हम डरते हैं
Yeah.
अगर मैंने बात करी, अगर मैंने प्रपोज करा, हो सकता है क्लाइंट बोले अरे नहीं. Like I said, personalize it, talk to the client. Believe me, the client will listen to you. Do a professional diagnosis first. Understand कौन सा शेड क्लाइंट पे अच्छा लगेगा, कौन सा शेड क्लाइंट पे नहीं अच्छा लगेगा. properly diagnose the client, build her confidence or his confidence. Why should we leave the men? Very, very important clients walking into our salons.
Yeah.
So do a proper diagnosis, explain. हम लोग बहुत बारी explain नहीं करते. Don't explain the technical jargons, but at least explain आप क्यों करने वाले हो, क्या करने वाले हो.
Mhm.
अब वो दिन खत्म हो गए कि हम कहीं पीछे जाके क्लाइंट की मिक्सिंग कर, हम अपना कलर की मिक्सिंग करते हैं. डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्लाइंट यार. हम क्यों छुपाएं हम क्या यूज कर रहे हैं. दिखाएं
Right.
क्लाइंट को आप क्या यूज कर रहे हैं. And then tell him that this is what I'm going to do, this is the time it is going to take, and this is the money I'm going to charge you.
Yeah. So be
So
transparent about the entire
be
process.
very transparent, yes. And believe me, clients will appreciate if you are transparent.
Yeah. Shweta, let me quickly have a look at the questions that have come from the audience, and then we'll take them up. Um, okay, so there was a question which I think you've already answered. What will be in fashion after lockdown and color category, cool or warm? So this came from Lokik Shah, and you have already said that it's going to be cool. Um,
Yeah, cool shades are trending now, but definitely do diagnosis. What will look nice on your client? ऐसे मत बोलना कि श्वेता ने बोला कि सिर्फ कूल ही चलेगा. नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही. कूल इज ट्रेंडिंग, बट इफ माय स्किन टोन इज वार्म स्किन टोन, अगर आप कूल लगा दोगे तो मत करना ऐसा. प्लीज हाथ जोड़ के बोल रही हूँ ये. प्रॉपर डायग्नोस करना. स्टाइल माय हेयर ऐप प्रो यूज करना.
okay. What is hair oxidization?
You know, hair oxidization, we all permanent colors are oxidizing colors.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you mix a tube and the oxidant, which is your developer, when you
Yeah.
mix them together, there's a process which happens as an oxidization process. In oxidization process, you what we do is lighten the hair and the sleeping colorants which are there inside the tube. Because अगर आप सिर्फ ट्यूब लोगे मैजरल की या इनोवा की और आप लगा दोगे, कुछ नहीं होगा. It requires something which can activate the color molecules inside the tube.
Right.
So the developer or the oxidant helps to oxidize the color molecules inside the tube. It will release the color precursors. It will release the alkaline agent inside the color, lighten the hair, and then deposit the color on. That is called as an oxidization process.
Right. Next question comes from Gunjan Jain. Does root touch up affect the scalp in any way and induce hair fall?
Very, very good question, Gunjan, because again, this is the biggest myth my client has. हम कलर जब लगाते हैं तो हम स्कैल्प के ऊपर लगाते हैं. ओके, और हम सब एज प्रोफेशनल हेयर ड्रेसर्स हम क्रीम कलर यूज करते हैं, क्रीम कलर यूज करते हैं.
Yeah.
When you are coloring the hair, even if you're doing a root touch up, आप स्कैल्प को टच भी कर रहे हो तब भी स्कैल्प इतना इट हैज लॉट ऑफ लेयर्स अंडरनीथ. एंड जो
Yeah.
आपका हेयर फॉल होता है या हेयर ग्रोथ होती है, दैट इज हैपनिंग फ्रॉम विद इन योर स्कैल्प, फ्रॉम योर बल्ब. A color does not have the capacity to penetrate inside your scalp. वो सिर्फ आपके स्कैल्प के ऊपर टच करता है एंड अलोंग विद दैट आपके कवर करता है बालों को. बट कलर स्कैल्प के अंदर नहीं जा सकता. सो हेयर फॉल नहीं होगा, वाइट हेयर नहीं बढ़ेंगे. बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी आर प्रोफेशनल्स, हाउ आर यू अप्लाइंग द कलर. बहुत बारी मैंने देखा है हेयर ड्रेसर्स अननेसेसरीली प्रोडक्ट को बहुत सारा लगा देते हैं. लाइक दे स्लैप लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑन टू द स्कैल्प. नहीं जरूरत है. जितना लगे चाहिए उतना ही लगाओ. एक्स्ट्रा लगाओगे तो गटर में जाएगा. there's no need of applying more product. Gently applying on the scalp, believe me, it will cover the gray hair. It will not it will not happen that you will not get a gray coverage. But answering Gunjan's question, no, it cannot enter your root, deep inside your root where your hair bulb is. It will not hamper that.
And it will not even leave a residue on the scalp. Like the scalp
It,
will not get
it
colored, will it?
it can leave a little bit of the stains, but
Yeah.
believe me, color only cuts color. दैट मीन्स
Okay.
जब आप क्लाइंट का आपने कलर कर लिया 35 मिनट्स पूरा हो गया, आप जब क्लाइंट को बैकवॉश पे ले जाते हैं, एड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ वाटर एंड उसको इमल्सिफाई करिए.
Okay.
इमल्सिफाई से क्या होता है, दो बेनिफिट्स होंगे आपको. एक, कलर को काट देगा. तो जो भी रूट पे कलर लगा होगा या स्कैल्प पे स्टेनिंग हुआ होगा वो निकल जाएगा. प्लस हर एक कलर के अंदर कंडीशनिंग एजेंट्स होते हैं. When you emulsify at your final before your final shampoo, the conditioning agents also start to work. Say for example, Inen G and Incel inside Majorel, it will get activated. It so
Okay.
that you have a much more softness, nourishment on the hair. So always before you rinse the hair color, again add a little water, emulsify, then add little more water, emulsify, and then rinse out. Then use a color protecting shampoo, and post that, always my request to all hairdressers is to do a color protecting treatment. So for example, you can use Power Mix Vitamino Color from
Hmm.
L'Oreal Professional, which will help to seal the hair color inside the hair.
Wow. Um, I hope that answers the question completely. Ajay Gupta is asking, what is your one go-to product for nourishment?
Uh, Ajay, it is all about Absolute Repair Lipidium from L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert.
Great.
So,
Varun Mitra is
Absolute
asking,
Repair, sorry, I will just give a little bit of explanation. Absolute Repair
yeah,
Lipidium from Serie Expert L'Oreal Professional. It is for all clients with dry, damaged hair. We have
okay,
shampoo, we've got a mask, we also have treatment, we also have a serum. Plus, we have just launched a new product, which is from the Nutrifier range, which is called as a balm, which is
okay,
fantastic for any client which has dry hair. Like when your lip in winters, our lips gets dry and they start chapping. Same
yeah.
way, when your hair is dry, if you use that balm on the hair, it
Mm-hmm.
will help to add lots of softness, shine, and seal the hair. So it is from the Nutrifier range. It's called as the hair balm. It comes
And
in a,
it's a leave-in product.
it's a leave-in product. It comes in a tube. Don't use too much. Little bit of product, just like a drop of. It comes in a very strong gel form. Take a little bit of product, with your heat of the palm अच्छे से उसको पहले melt करो, and then with your fingers add in the product.
Okay, and it can be used at home
But
by consumers.
it is for the consumer. it is
Okay,
it is
okay,
also a retail product.
great. Next question is from Varun Mitra. He's asking, people say ammonia-free color is safer than normal color. Is this a myth or is it true?
Varun, you know, both colors are beautiful. Whether you have ammonia free colors or you have with ammonia colors, every single color will help to penetrate inside the hair and give you the most beautiful results. So, for example, whether you use Majoral or whether you use Innova, both are the most beautiful colors. Okay, every single product has got its own uh, best results. There are many times only thing about, I would say, about ammonia, that it has a strong odor. it smells.
Yeah.
So client says, oh, I am allergic to ammonia. Ammonia is only there for opening up the cuticle, okay, and for help the color to penetrate inside the hair, okay. But then we also have Innova, which has oil delivery system, which is completely ammonia free. Instead of ammonia, we have MEA, MEA, which helps to open the cuticle and work the same way. So it completely depends on your client. I cannot say whether with ammonia product is good or without ammonia product is good. Both are fantastic. Depend on the client. If she says I am allergic to ammonia, use an ammonia free color. If she says no, I'm not allergic to ammonia, use an ammonia product. Both product are, I would not say one is safe and one is not safe. Both are safe.
Great. The next question is from Avneet Somal. She's asking what treatment is best to give after highlighting.
The best treatment after highlights again depends on how are you doing the highlights. Are you pre-lightening the hair? Are you using a pre-lightener like a multi-technique 8 from L'Oreal Professional? Again, many times what happens is my beautiful fellow hairdressers over here वो सिर्फ pre-lightener लगाते हैं और बोलते color हो गया. It is not the color. You are seeing an undercoat because when you will lighten the hair, it has a sleeping undercoat. जैसे ही आप lightener लगाते हो वो undercoat आ जाता है. उस टाइम को अंडरकोट अच्छा दिखता है बिकॉज आपने शैम्पू कर दिया, कंडीशनर कर दिया. थोड़े दिनों में क्लाइंट के बाल ऐसे लगते हैं कि सॉरी फॉर द वर्ड बट झाड़ू. यूज अ टोनर. Tone the color. Color can be toned with the toners which we have like Dia Light or Dia Riches. It can also be toned with a Majorelle depending on which shade you want. It can also be toned with Innova. But always first of all after lightening or after highlights, if you've done with a lightening product, you can even use product like Magi Blonde or a Magi Lift or a Magi Contrast. Like for example, if you're doing blonde highlights, if you do it with Magi Blonde 900S, you don't need to tone it. It will get toned itself. Yeah. But after that, you need to use a proper treatment to protect the hair color. So you can use Power Mix, Vitamino color. You can, or if the hair is very, very dry, you can even use a Power Mix Absolute Repair Lipidium, or you can even use an Enforcer if the hair is very weak from Power Mix.
Okay. Great. It was lovely talking to you, Shweta. You've given us loads and loads of information, and I'm sure the hairdressers can put everything that you have said to use right away as soon as the salons open. And I especially loved your idea that they should be making the most of this time and upgrading their skills and learning more. And thank you for sharing the names of your apps. I'm sure all of them would like to make use of it. Yes. Is there anything you would like to add before we end the session?
No, thank you. Thank you so much. It was great chatting up with you. And again, I would say, please download L'Oreal Learn and Connect, which is your professional app. And also follow us on Instagram, L'Oreal LNC. Take care of yourself. Be safe. And hope to see you very, very soon back in your salons doing all the beautiful work what we have been doing. So stay safe, stay beautiful.
Thank you so much, Shweta. And to all of you out there, please tune in to our Facebook page again for a session with Melroy Dixon, the General Manager Education for Matrix. He's going to have a hair demo that you simply cannot miss. So please come back in the evening and join us.
Please meet my friend Melroy. I will give him a lot of kisses from here.
I think he was there. I saw his name pop up. I'm sure he watched your session. Yeah. So we'll join him back in the evening for his session on a hair demo with Matrix. Until then, take care.
Thank you, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.